Hello, you are invited to Annie's kitchen. Today, I am going to show you how to make papaya salad with caramel pork liver and serve it up with cilantro and mint. For this dish, we need shredded green papaya, some boiled pork liver, brown sugar, caramel sauce, hoisin sauce, some sweet soy sauce, and garnish with cilantro, mint, and green onion. Serve with some chili sauce. Boil one piece of pork liver for 25 minutes. Leave it on the side to cool. In a non-stick pan, add just enough oil to cover the pan. Then add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Stir the sugar in the oil and cook for 2 minutes. Next, add 3 tablespoons of thick caramel sauce, either from homemade or buy from an Oriental market. Chop the pork liver into nice thin strips. Then add these slices of pork liver into the sauce. Next, add 1 teaspoon of hoisin sauce and continue to stir and cook for another 2 more minutes. Add 2 tablespoons of sweet soy sauce. Stir and cook for 2 more minutes. Now taste for flavors. I like it on the sweet side. Now arrange the shredded papaya on a salad plate. Wash and chop cilantro, green onion, and mint, and place these herbs on the bed of green papaya. Now we add the warm sliced pork liver onto the bed of green papaya and herbs. Voila! Your dish is ready. Add a little bit of chili sauce around the papaya salad and serve it with some fish sauce on the side. Fish sauce or nước chấm is served along with many Vietnamese dishes. Here's how to prepare it. Chop garlic in a small sauce bowl. Add 1 full teaspoon of brown sugar, half teaspoon of vinegar, 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, 2 teaspoons of fish sauce. Mix well together. There you have it. Green papaya salad with pork liver and fish sauce. Thanks for joining me. See you next time from Annie's Kitchen.